In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make $150 per day by copying and pasting YouTube Shorts. So let's get right into it. I have an example channel here pulled up, Ben Lionel Scott. We can see here that he posts motivational videos and speeches and shorts, and he doesn't show his face at all in these videos, so we can use him as a perfect example. Here you can see that he's earning anywhere from 3.6 thousand to 57,000. This is based off of CPM, meaning pays per 1,000 views or dollars per 1,000 views. It's basing it off 25 cents to $4. We can safely assume that his CPM is going to be closer to $3 or $4 since that is the average CPM, which means he's earning about $50,000 per month. But make sure you guys stay until the very end because I'm going to be showing you guys another method that you guys can make tons of money with this copy and paste YouTube short method without any ad revenue at all. So make sure you guys stay to the end for that. So hopping right into it, if we use AI ChatGPT and we say, give me 10 motivational quotes, we're going to be able to turn one of these into a video. Let's say ChatGPT is down because it's down a lot. You can use another AI chatbot. One I really like that's really simple is the AI coach under vidIQ. So vidIQ is an SEO research tool that many people use for YouTube, including myself. So I just typed in the same thing, give me 10 motivational quotes, and it spat out this 9 different ones, which is fine. So now I have here 19 different quotes I can select from for my YouTube Shorts copy and paste video. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one because I really resonate with it a lot. It says that successful people do what unsuccessful people are not willing to do. Don't wish you were easier, wish you were better. So we'll go ahead and copy that quote. After that, you guys want to go to Pictory.ai. app.pictory.ai. I will leave an affiliate link in the description below where you guys can sign up. And this will be able to turn your script into videos for you with background music as well. So if we go ahead and hit proceed here under script to video, we could, let's say, title this motivational quote. And then from there, we can copy and paste. What I'm going to do is put this on 2 separate lines here. I'm going to take out the quotes and we can leave in the author. Put a little space there to make it more spaced out. And I'll go ahead and click proceed. From here, we can pick what type of layout we want for a template. I'm going to go ahead and select corporate and make sure, this is extremely important, that you guys select 9:16 aspect ratio if you do want it to be a YouTube short. Otherwise, it will not upload as a YouTube short. So we're going to go ahead and let that upload, and I'll get back to you guys when that's fully uploaded. So bam, as you can see, it generated a whole video for us with visuals, with text as well. But what we can do from here is if we don't like the visuals or we don't like the text, we can kind of edit it a little bit. So for scene 1, we can click on scene 1. It's usually good for the text to be closer to the middle of the screen, depending on the situation. So we're going to put that closer to the middle of the screen. Here, we can put this also closer to the middle of the screen. But I really don't like this visual that it's created because it's just a star on the ground. I think it created because it saw the word gym in it and thought it was another famous person. So I think the easiest way to do that is go to visuals and we can type in something motivational. And we can see this lady running. So this would be perfect, I believe. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit plus, and that's going to, bam, put this in the video right then and there. And it's still going to be in that 9:16 aspect ratio. So if you guys want to go ahead and preview this video, because now I think it looks pretty damn good, we can go ahead and hit preview. And it's going to do a little preview for us. The best way to do the preview actually is going to be top right here. So prepare it. Bam, we can hear this video going now. So this video seems pretty good. If you guys want to remove that watermark, you guys can go ahead and upgrade your account here. And I'll definitely leave that affiliate link in the description below. But let's say just for the purpose of the video, we just wanted to go ahead and render this video. I really like what it looks like right now. And we want to go ahead and get it uploaded to YouTube. So what we would do is click generate video. And that's going to go ahead and create the scenes for us and generate the video. And it's going to allow us to download it after that. So I'll catch up with you guys once that's finished downloading. And I'll show you guys the next steps you guys can take to start earning money. So now that the video is generated and the scenes are created, we can go ahead and click download on this video. What that's going to do is download it directly onto our PC. And it's going to title it exactly what we titled it before on Pictory. So after that, we can go ahead and upload it to YouTube. and I'll show you guys the final strategy that we're going to be using to make money. So before we go ahead and upload to YouTube, let's figure out how we're going to go ahead and title this. So if we do motivational hashtag shorts, let's see what pops up. It seems that a lot of people are doing all caps. They're doing hashtag motivation. They're doing hashtag shorts. So we want to make sure we're putting in the correct hashtags. A lot of people are putting hashtag viral in there as well, it seems like, and a lot of caps lock. So if we go up here and we go to my channel, we click on create. I'm going to go ahead and drag drop this here. That's going to be letting it upload. Once it's done processing, it'll change to youtube.com/shorts as long as it's 9:16 aspect ratio and not longer than a minute. But while it's processing, let's go ahead and think of a title that we can use. So based off of this, I think really just the best thing to title it would be successful people do what unsuccessful people are not willing to do. So we can go ahead and copy that, paste that here. Then we could type in hashtag shorts, hashtag motivation, hashtag viral. As viral also is a big one in there. We can see now this is youtube.com/shorts. The description really doesn't matter, as most people aren't going to see the description on the shorts feed, but we can just copy and paste that there. The most important thing you want to do is make sure you click on no, it's not made for kids. And we're going to let this do the checking, have the checks be complete. We can't add any end screens here because it's not long enough of a video. No copyrights in it. And let's go ahead and upload this as unlisted so I can show you guys another method that we're going to do to make money. Aside from just getting partnered and get on the YouTube ad revenue program, how else are we going to make money with this? So let's go ahead and upload this. It's uploaded as unlisted. We can see here that it's perfectly uploaded exactly how we like it. So what we want to do from here is go ahead to the comments. And in the comments section, this is where we want to post an affiliate link, which is going to be earning us money. So on top of this guy just making $50,000 a month, everyone on YouTube has many, many different revenue sources. One of the top ones being affiliate marketing. So if we come over here to clickbank.com, you can make a completely free account, and they have some really good affiliate marketing offers. So you can even go to their top offers here under their marketplace, and we can see something that would fit into motivation or success. Clearly, health and fitness would fit that brand. So let's see, this gravity score being really high means that a lot of people are generating sales on this. And the average commission earned per rebill, so it's not like a recurring thing, but the initial money you're making per conversion is $140. So just one conversion alone, you're making basically that $150 a day that I talked about. So how can we make sure that this is legitimate? We can click on their website, see that's Alpine Secret for healthy weight loss, and it looks good to me. So what we can do here is click on promote. You type in the nickname for your account, which is mine is Neil SH. You can create that hop link. What we're going to do is copy it, and instead of pasting it directly into my video, we want to make it look a little better. So we'll go to tinyurl.com. We're going to paste that into there. So let's refresh this page actually. Paste in my link, click make tinyurl, copy that link so you can see it's a lot shorter now. Then what we're going to do is come back to my video here and say, if you are interested in weight loss, check out this awesome supplement. And we're going to paste that there. We're going to comment that. And what we'll do is we'll pin that. So it's going to be in the top of the comment section no matter how many people comment. So what's going to happen is people are going to watch this video. And what most people do is they'll see comments. Most people come to the comments regardless. And they'll see, if you're interested in weight loss, check out this awesome supplement. So if you can even get a 0.1% conversion rate, meaning you get 1,000 people to watch your video, but then you just get one person, meaning 0.1% conversion rate, to go ahead and click on that ClickBank affiliate link, you're going to be making that $140 a day that I was talking about. And obviously we know the potential is limitless. We can be making $50K a month off of this. We can be making 7 figures a year off of this, but don't just expect to see results overnight. Expect to grow your channel over time and to build your brand. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and are able to use this method to start making money on YouTube. If you guys could like, comment, and subscribe, that would be greatly appreciated. Thanks.